Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and right here we have to open shortcut panel. Now here we have to swipe and find our screen recorder. As you can see, right here is my screen recorder. When we find it, we have to click on this arrow on the right side of this screen recorder button to open screen recorder settings. And right here we have this first option, device audio, record audio, and we can choose if you want to record device audio, microphone, or both of them at the same time. Or we can just mute this audio by turning off this button like this. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!